Hello viewers, welcome you all to Friday Formula Series episode 2. In today's episode, the formula that we are going to learn is match formula. Match formula is one of the most simplest formula, but one of the most powerful formula as well. And we do match formula as a combination in most of the lookup functions. We can actually combine this with VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP or index function to get a lookup function. So let's learn the match formula. Here I have a list of fruits and I have a requirement to find their relative position in this given list. For example, the position of blueberry is 3 and the position of banana is 2. So if I select banana, so I am expected to get the answer as 2. So this is my current requirement. So let's see how to do this. Step 1. Let's add the data validation for all the list of fruits. So let me add a label, and here I need to select the data validation. So we can find the data validation under the data. So there you have the option as data validation. Select list, and then within source we need to select all the fruits. So once we select this, we got the data validation added to this cell number D5. So my cell number D5 has all the fruits list. Now let me slightly differentiate them, because then we will not be able to differentiate that list with any other cells. And then let me add another label to find the position. Right, so here I'm going to write the formula, select any value banana, and I'm expected to get the results here. So let me just modify the colors. Okay, so now I'm going to write my match function here, equal to match. Now the lookup formula is the value. The lookup value is the value that you are going to search in the list, and always the value will be in the cell D5, comma lookup array. It is going to be in the fruits table. So I have selected the table 1 fruits is my column, and then let me select exact match. I have just pressed the tab button to select the value 0. Right, so here we go. We got the answer as bananas position as 2, and we got the blueberry position as 3. So where this could be much more useful, so I will show you another example where this could turn useful, but we can actually learn that as a separate formula as well. So assume you have another column called price. So let me just generate some random values in this price, ran between 4 to 8. Okay, I got some random values in this price. So I assume my apples price is 5 units, and then my bananas price is 7 units. Now, so here if I need to find the price whenever I select the fruit, so assume I select the fruit as banana or cherry, and I am expected to get the cherry's price here. Let me just give some color coding so that we can differentiate. Now I am going to use the formula called index, Again, let me repeat, we will learn this index match together in a separate session, but I'm showing a real use case where this might come useful for you. And match, so among the price column, I'm going to match the row number that's going to return by my lookup, my match function. So value f5, comma, array fruits, comma, 0. There you go. So price of my cherry is currently 7. So let me select something else. Dates. Price of my dates is 4. So that's it, and position of dates is 5. So here we have used the match function, and with the help of match function we have fetched the price using index plus match. We will learn index plus match as a separate tutorial in a different video, but meanwhile just practice the match function, and this will come handy in most of the cases. Thank you so much. Meet you all in the next week's series on Formula Friday. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.